So hello guys, this is Roshan. Welcome to the AWS console tutorial. So in the previous video I explained about the elastic IP address, but I thought we have to get more details on the elastic IP address. So what is actually the elastic IP address is? It is the static IP version 4 address designed for dynamic cloud computing. So guys, think like whenever you create a EC2 instance, whenever you stop the instance and start an instance, Amazon AWS will provide the new public IP to your instance. So but that is not the real-time scenario. In the real time, you want some public IP to be attached to the EC2 instance so that you can map all your domain names to that IP. And also it is useful to have elastic IP in case of failure of the instance. For example, you are having one RESTful service running on one of the EC2 instance, and if it get down, then you can whatever the elastic IP you have associated with that EC2 instance, you can disassociate it and again you can associate it to the other EC2 instance. So let's get started how to create the elastic IP address and how to associate it to one of the EC2 instance. So guys, as we already have the EC2 instance here, but I don't have any elastic IP address. So see, this is the public DNS we have. We have also seen into one of our previous chapter that how it got updated when we restart the server or restart the EC2 instance. So here in the navigation panel, again we are going to elastic IPs. You can go here. So this is a simple step to create the allocate a new address into our account. So just click on the allocate and that's it. We have the new address here. So we can go into the instance. This is the instance for which we want to associate the elastic IP. Just copy it, go into the elastic IPs, and in the action click on the associate address. So here you can search by the name as well. So here is the instance and we have to click on the associate button. So it is just got associated. So see, the IP is this one, 13.235.92.147. so go into the instance and just verify if this is the same IP that is attached here. Yeah, that is associated. So now guys, as our IP changed, I can connect to this instance by using this elastic IP. So just need to copy this IP here and to copy the IP. So I copied the IP, just paste it here, just click on S, and that's it. We are here. We are done with the elastic IP. We just attach. So just check that whether it is stopping or whether it is having the same IP or not. Just go to the action and then stop the instance. So we have stopped the instance. You have to wait for some time. For more details on elastic IP address, you can refer this documentation from the AWS. So again I want to start the instance. So started the instance. This is kind of public IP address. Elastic IP is nothing but the public address. So from the, if you are having the GoDaddy account or bigger account, whatever the accounts there for the web hosting or the where you have your domain purchased, from there you can map to this IP. The domain you can map to this IP. Just okay, it is connected. disconnected. Okay, I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching.